Hello and welcome back to English Step by Step. Today we'll learn 10 common idioms through a single story. Let's meet Sam and explore his very eventful day. He's an ordinary guy who woke up one morning feeling like $1,000,000, confident and ready to conquer the world. Feel like $1,000,000. Feel great or fantastic. But things started to go wrong right from breakfast. He discovered that his little brother had finished all the cereal and milk. On his way to work, started to rain cats and dogs. Sam was drenched because his umbrella decided to break at the worst possible time. Rain cats and dogs. Rained very heavily. When Sam finally arrived, his boss was standing there with a face like thunder. "You're late again," his boss shouted. Sam thought, "I'm really in hot water now." In hot water, in trouble or facing consequences. Sam dove into his work, determined to turn things around. But then his computer froze. It seemed like Murphy's Law was in full effect. Murphy's Law, the idea that everything that can go wrong will go wrong. As Sam dealt with one problem after another, a client called, furious about a mistake in an order. Sam tried to explain, but the client wouldn't listen. He was barking up the wrong tree, blaming Sam for something someone else did. Barking up the wrong tree, blaming the wrong person or pursuing the wrong solution. At lunchtime, Sam vented to his colleague Lisa. "I feel like I'm burning the candle at both ends," he said, explaining how overworked he'd been. Burn the candle at both ends. Overwork yourself by doing too much. Lisa reminded him that every cloud has a silver lining. "At least the day can't get any worse," she joked. "Every cloud has a silver lining. There is something positive in every bad situation." Later, Sam decided to bite the bullet and pitch a new idea to his boss, even though he was nervous. To his surprise, his boss loved it and said, "This could be our golden ticket to success." Bite the bullet, face a difficult situation bravely. Golden ticket, a solution or opportunity that guarantees success. Sam's roller coaster day ended on a high note. He realized that even when life throws curveballs, it's important to keep pushing forward. Throw curveballs. Present unexpected challenges. Poor Sam. But thanks to his day, we learned 11 idioms. Let's do a quick recap. 1. Feel like $1,000,000. 2. Rain cats and dogs. 3. In hot water. 4. Murphy's Law. 5. Barking up the wrong tree. 6. Burn the candle at both ends. 7. Every cloud has a silver lining. 8. Bite the bullet. Ninth golden ticket. 10. Throw curveballs. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own story using at least 5 of these idioms? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun lessons. See you next time on English Step by Step. Bye.